Hey guys, Paul here unboxing the brand new HP DeskJet Plus. Now this is the model with the document feeder. You can also get just the standard DeskJet without the document feeder. So let's check it out. When you first open the box, you'll find a couple bits of documents. It's the Get Started guide. You'll also find some cables, as well as your black and tricolor ink cartridges. Like most HP dual cartridge systems, if you have a black cartridge in and no color, it'll still print in black, or if the black is removed or missing, it'll still print in color. It's a pretty cool handy feature. So take the printer out of the box and remove the two foam end pieces. Then take off the plastic shrink wrap packaging. Now start to remove all the bits of tape and cardboard pieces. You'll see some tape on the bottom. Don't forget this one, guys, a little tricky. Okay, so some of the bits of tape actually go inside the printer. This will help you not only remove all of those bits, but also shows you where to put your cartridges in. So please make sure you take off all the tape and all the cardboard before plugging in and setting this product up. So plug it into power. There's no big bulky power cord here, just a traditional figure 8 cord with the power supply built into the printer. Turn the printer on. You'll see the cartridge holder center inside the printer. Now you can start unpackaging your cartridges. Doesn't matter which color you insert first, but make sure you remove the tape that actually just keeps that nozzle nice and dust free, and pop those cartridges in. We'll start with the black first, but you can do color first, it doesn't matter. So just remove the packaging from the other cartridge, remove the tape, and place that in the printer. These just click in, close the door. Now to insert your A4 paper, lift up this top section, flip open this cover and slide across this blue tab. Insert your A4 paper and make sure that blue tab is pushed across, keeping that paper in there nice and tight. Now after you've done your first 3 pages of printing, your printer will automatically print a calibration page. Take this paper and pop it into your scanning flatbed. This helps your print heads align and improves print quality. So just line that bit of paper up to the corner, close the lid, and just hit the color copy button. This will take a scan of that alignment page and align your printer appropriately. Now to set your printer up on your device, just go to 123.hp.com. You can do this on your Windows, Android, or iOS device, and this will follow your prompts into your app setup, which is really straightforward, and it's the best way to set up, maintain, monitor, and also do printing from your brand new HP DeskJet Plus 4100 series. That's it.